What's up everybody, Josh here, and in this video I'm heading out to a brand new community in Palmetto, Florida called Stonegate Preserve, and I'm going to take you on a driving tour. So right now I am just off of a Moccasin Wallow. Right here to the right is going to be a brand new lagoon community called Sea Air. This is going to be the newest lagoon community. Right now I know they're selling townhomes with single family homes to come shortly, but I just figured out, you know, I'm out here, I'll show you around. There's a ton of new construction going on. This is Parish, and I'm just off of the I-75 South and Paris exit. Like I said, this is Moccasin Wallow. So heading over to this new community called Stonegate Preserve. There's two ways to get to it off of 75. You either turn left and go this way, which is the way I'm showing you now, or you could turn right and go through a different community where Taylor Morrison is building, and I'll show you that on the way out of the video. So if you want to see that, stick around. Also, I'm meeting my friend for lunch right over there at a sports bar called The Grayson, and I'm not going to do a restaurant review in this video, but if you're in the area, you must stop at The Grayson and take a look at it, and I'll show you where that's at on the way out. So yeah, I mean, obviously this is a little different than me just diving right on in. So to give you a little bit of driving tour, right here on the right is the Del Webb community and also the Isles at Bayview, and I've done a video here before. Actually, that was where I think I did the first little driving tour that I was kind of playing around with, and what that a lot of y'all liked. So I'll fast forward past this, and then I will pick it back up once we get into the community. But this is Carter Road. You're going to go up here till you get to Buckeye, turn left on Buckeye, come back up over 75, and then the community on your left, and I'll see you there in a minute. All right, so I am at the end of Carter and Buckeye. Turn left on the Buckeye. As you'll see, Oakfield Lakes, that's a new community coming soon. This entire section is going to be developed, so hopefully they will end up putting an entrance ramp to 75 right here, so you don't have to kind of backtrack down to Moccasin Wallow to get up on the interstate, which is only like a mile that way, so they might not as far as like the interstate goes. But coming up over here, so right over here to the left is where this new community is going to be, and I'm going to film the in-law suites next gen model by Lennar. I got a client building this particular floor plan in a different community, in a different city, and I've had a lot of people asking about it, and this is the first time I'm able to get into one. This one's not completely finished, it's almost completely finished. So there's going to be an entrance right here to the left eventually, but we're going to go into the main entrance right up here, and I'll show you. So this is a brand new community. They don't even have their model homes open yet. They're just started, sailing over here, and they're doing a grand opening per se. The amenity center, as you'll see in a minute, is not even open yet, and that's probably going to be a year and a half, 2 years out before that's going to be built. But you come in over here, you can start seeing maybe in the video. Whoa, hello. Over here to the left, there's going to be some homes. So over here, Lennar is building 3 different series of their homes. So you got some over to the left, got some over to the right here, that are in the process of being built. They're doing inventory homes, so there are a couple that are ready to go now that are not the next gen, but I just came over here to film just the next gen. So if you're interested in any other floor plan in this community, just reach out and I can get you the information. But straight ahead here where this roundabout is, over to the left, you'll see the mailboxes, and then continuing on straight where the road ends right there, that's where the amenity centers are going to be. So you're going to have a clubhouse, you're going to have a pool, you're going to have a dog park, all that good stuff is going to be right over there. And then the home we're going to is going to be right over here. So we'll pull up to this, show you that, and then we'll get out and go inside and take a look. And then once we're done that, I will head out the back way through a community called Artesian Lakes, which is a Taylor Morrison community, and they're still building there as well. So if that's something you like, now I know I've done one video there, I think it was a resale, but we're pulling up to the house now, so let's get out and go inside. Right, and so this one is the next gen. They're calling it the Symphony model now. It used to be called the Liberation. It's a 6-bedroom, 4.5 bath, 3867 square feet with the in-law suite to the left over there where you see that single car garage. Out here in Stonegate Preserve, the HOA fee is $187 per year, but right now you're only paying $57 until the amenity center is open. There is a CDD fee of $5,076 on this particular model because this is their biggest one. Their whatever as far as the different series goes. So CDD on other ones will be a little bit less. This one was originally listed at $728,000. It's been reduced $48,000 down to $679,900. So let me pan around, show you what it looks like. We'll go inside. This is a brand new community. So the community center, pool, all that stuff, probably a year and a half out before it be completed. But you got your, this side, you have your paver driveway, your 2-car garage for the main home. And then right over there, you have your driveway and your single car for the in-law suite section. So you come up, kind of entryway meets here. And this one's almost completed. So this is the closest I've found. And I know I've had several people interested, so I wanted to get a video of this. So this would be your entryway into your in-law suite. This is obviously the main entry. So let's go inside, take a look. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. So coming in the front door, let's actually go and take a look at the in-law suite first. So you do have an entrance right here. And obviously the front door over there. So this is going to be the living room. Does come with the ceiling fan and the blinds. That's what I like about Lennar. They include, pretty much everything and your appliances too. So right here is going to be your coat closet. And then you have a kitchenette. So your dishwasher, your microwave, sink, and refrigerator. And then here is that 1-car garage. So obviously they're still working on it. And then right here, you have a stackable washer and dryer. And then the bathroom. So your linen closet, it's gonna be right here. And then this one's got the white cabinets, the quartz countertops, and then your walk-in shower with a tile, and then the niche in there. And this has the wood-like tile floor. And then the bedroom here in the in-law suite. Nice big bedroom. I have one of my clients building one of these homes in a different community. Lennar is offering this currently in 4 different communities throughout the Tampa Bay area. There's one here in Palmetto, 2 in Waimama, and 1 in Riverview. So if you're looking for something like this, reach out and I get you the information on it. All right, let's go back in. Let's go upstairs, take a look at everything upstairs, and we'll come back downstairs. Go up the stairs, got the nice wrought iron here on the staircase. Got 3 windows there to let light in. And when you come up, you have this huge loft. So you can set up your TV on the wall here, whatever you like. Master suite is gonna be right here to the left. Gigantic bedroom. And then over here into the bath, same wood-like tile floor. Your linen closet here. Got your dual vanity. Nice big soaker tub. And then your shower there.
Got your toilet here, and then your walk-in closet. Nice big walk-in closet. All right, let's continue on. Crossing over through the loft, you're gonna have your first bathroom upstairs here, or besides the master I was just in, obviously. And then right outside of the bathroom, you're gonna have your linen closet. And then this, I believe on the plan, is bedroom number 5. But you do have the one bedroom up here. And then the closet is just gonna be a regular closet. All right. So once again, nice big loft here. And then at the end of the loft here, you're gonna have bedroom number 3. Nice sized bedrooms. And then your closet there. Down. Air handler will be right here. Laundry room right here. You do have your washer and dryer included, and you have cabinets instead of a wire rack, which is very nice. Bathroom number 3 upstairs. Got the dual vanity as well. And then the tile around the tub and shower combo with the niche there. So that's nice. All right. Bedroom number 4. And then at the end of the hall right here, you're gonna have a linen closet. And then this will be the 5th bedroom. I know I said earlier up front, I think they labeled it as the 5th, but this is your 5th and final bedroom upstairs. All right, let's go downstairs and take a look at the rest of the kitchen, and there's a half bath down there. All right, so bottom of the stairs to the right, this is gonna be your dining area right here. You have your pre-wire up there for your chandelier. And then around the corner here, you're gonna have a nice size coat closet here. Obviously there's gonna be doors on that. So when you come out of the garage, put your stuff there. And then your half bath, which is great for guests, with the pedestal sink and your toilet. And then out here is going to be the 2-car bay. So you have your hurricane shutters in the corner there. All right. So then coming on in over here is going to be your living room. You're already pre-wired here. As you can see, you got the HDMI on the wall there, the chase through to the bottom there. So nice big living room, got your triple sliding glass doors, and then into the kitchen, those quartz countertops, the white cabinets. What I love about this one, this is a gas community. So you have your gas cooktop, wall-mounted oven and microwave, and then your walk-in pantry. Obviously, range hood will continue to be installed, but you have your range hood there over your gas cooktop. And then in the island, you have your single bowl undermount sink and your stainless steel dishwasher. And then the refrigerator. And then right here is gonna be your little breakfast nook area. And then let's go take a look at this covered lanai. Another feature I love about this and Lennar is they actually screen in your lanai. So you have your nice covered lanai here, and then your screened in area with a door to go out to the backyard. As you can see, it's all sand right now, but this will be sodded here. You have your irrigation. So let me get you a look at the back of this one. All right, that's gonna do it for this. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below.
All right, so I hope you enjoyed that one. Let me know what you think about it in the comments below. It's a very popular floor plan, especially if you want a true new construction with, in-law suite and it's separate on entrance. That's about it. DR Horton builds a in-law suite, but it doesn't have a separate entrance, and it's a single story, so it just depends on what you like. But all right, so when you come out of there, you turn left, and then this is going to take you into Artesian Lakes, and you can get in from this way, and then I'll show you where the Grayson is. But I'm filming this video on Wednesday the 10th, and CPI numbers just came out. They were not good for interest rates. So who knows? The experts are now talking that there might only be 2 rate cuts this year, maybe 1. So we'll see if interest rates actually fall, like a lot of experts claim they would. Let me know, what do you think? Do you think we're just completely screwed and rates aren't going to fall and it's just going to keep getting worse and worse and more expensive to live? Or do you think rates will fall? Just let me know what you think, because I know, well, nobody really knows, but I have my suspicions of what will happen, but we'll see. All right, so now we are in Artesian Lakes, and this is probably 4-minute drive. So I'm going to kill this right now, and then I'll pick it back up and I'll show you where the Grayson is that you have to try if you're in the area. All right, so we are back to Moccasin Wallow coming out of Artesian Lakes, and you would go straight across. Obviously there's construction going on, but you'd go straight across, and the Grayson is right. I'm pointing like you can see me, but over to the right. There's also a great coffee shop over there called American Honey. So if you're in the area, you want some coffee, you want some great food, check out American Honey or the Grayson. And I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment below. And if you're thinking about making a move, reach out. I would love to help you. My contact information is in the description below. But until next video, take care.